Our selected technology is CRISPR-Cas9 biotechnology. What's this technology? It is a powerful gene editing technology that uses a guide RNA to locate specific sequences in DNA and the Cas9 enzyme to cut at those exact points. This enables scientists to remove, repair, or replace genes with high precision and efficiency. Let's understand CRISPR through writing analogy. Imagine you are writing your next best-selling novel and you have crafted a beautiful line, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but in a moment of distraction, you accidentally type Twinkle Twinkle Big Star. In this scenario, your smart search bar works like the guide RNA, quickly pinpointing the error, then just as you would use your editing tools to cut out the word big and replace it with little, Cas9 precisely cut the incorrect segment and lets the cell's repair system insert the right sequence. This seamless correction is exactly how CRISPR-Cas9 fixes genetic errors, ensuring the story of our DNA is told correctly.
Now that we have understood what is CRISPR-Cas9, let's talk about the working of CRISPR. Basically, it works like molecular scissors. First, the guide RNA is designed to match the target DNA sequence. The Cas9 protein uses this guide to locate and cut the DNA at the specific site. And finally, the cell's own repair mechanisms kick in, allowing scientists to disable a gene, insert a new gene, and fix mutations. This technology has wide range of uses in medicine by using gene therapy for inherited diseases like sickle cell anemia. In agriculture, it helps in creating crops that are disease resistant. And in industrial biotechnology, engineering microbes are used to produce biofuels or bioplastics. And finally, the fun fact: the world's first babies with CRISPR-Cas9 were born in 2018, thanks to the work done by Dr. Jen Kuei.
Seen wide-ranging applications of the CRISPR-Cas9. Let's explore the different business models that are helping drive this innovation. First, the long-tail business model. This model focuses on catering to niche markets instead of mass demand. In CRISPR, that means targeting rare diseases or personalized therapies that may affect fewer people but have significant impact. It reduces R&D costs and promotes collaboration among startups, academic researchers, and pharma companies, leading to more and more customized and targeted solutions. We have the platform-based business model. This model creates value by enabling interactions between multiple parties like the biotech companies, researchers, and the clinicians through a digital platform and generic databases. This platform fosters collaboration, accelerates discovery, and helps make CRISPR tools more accessible across healthcare ecosystems. Now I'll hand over to my friend to talk over to two more impactful models shaping CRISPR.
Now we look into integrative business model. It is where an organization assumes total control over value chain and its delivery. For biotech companies, it's a necessity to invest in this regard to ensure quality metrics of their products, which strengthens its market portfolio and supports revenue generation. The last but not the least is licensing, which is considered as bread and butter for the sustenance of biotech organization. It is responsible for significant silent revenues, great deal of research and data development, and scope of partnerships across countries. Further, let's see how aspects of these models complement and contradict the growth of a company.
Now let's look at how these business models uniquely shape innovation and competition in the CRISPR landscape. Platform-based models drive innovation by connecting researchers, firms, and academia, but they also introduce risks like monopolization and IP conflicts. Integrated models, where large firms control everything from R&D to commercialization, ensure product quality and speed, but create high entry barriers. The long-tail model supports rare disease research and decentralization, but struggles with scalability. Interestingly, the subscription model democratizes access, enabling smaller players to participate without heavy R&D investment. Though it raises concerns over long-term dependency, each model reshapes the ecosystem with different trade-offs in control, collaboration, and accessibility. Let's jump onto the comparison diagram. This diagram compares the four CRISPR-driven business models across two key dimensions: impact on innovation, and competitive control. Platform and subscription models score high on innovation by enabling collaboration and accessibility. In contrast, integrated model and long-tail model offer stronger competitive positioning.
Now let's talk about how CRISPR-Cas9 has completely reshaped the business model of one of the biggest players in biotech, Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Founded in Boston in 1989, known for leading cystic fibrosis treatments. But now, they're making headlines with CRISPR-Cas9. Their breakthrough? Casgevy, a one-time gene therapy that targets sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia at the root. This isn't just innovation, it's the future of medicine. With CRISPR, Vertex is creating value in ways we have never seen before. Casgevy doesn't manage illness, it eliminates the root cause. Their expanded portfolio now targets type 1 diabetes, chronic pain, and kidney disease, all backed by proven clinical results. And it's not a solo mission. Vertex works with academic and biotech partners, accelerating development and innovation. This isn't just treatment, it's transformation. So, how does Vertex turn science into success? Let's start with pricing. Casgevy costs $2.2 million per patient in the US. But when you compare that to a lifetime of treatment costs, it's actually a smart investment. And beyond sales, they're licensing CRISPR to pharma and academic institutions, earning royalties and upfront fees. Plus, they have locked in a strong patent portfolio, giving them a powerful edge in the market and generating multiple revenue streams from a single breakthrough. What really sets Vertex apart is how fast and efficiently they deliver. They're vertically integrated, meaning they run the full show: research, development, production, and launch. And it's working. Casgevy was approved in the UK, USA, and Saudi Arabia in just 3 months. These one time therapies are cost effective, fast to market, and improve real patient outcomes. CRISPR doesn't just change DNA, it's rewriting how companies like Vertex create, capture, and deliver value. And honestly, this is just the beginning. Thank you.